Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, my video tutorial is about how to use Philippine Airlines travel voucher. Marami yung nagtatanong sa akin about paano daw gamitin yung travel voucher. Dito kasi sa website ng PAL, kapag nag-book ka ng ticket, wala siyang use travel fund option pagdating mo sa payment section. Hindi kagaya ng sa Cebu Pack na meron nakalagay na use travel fund pag naka-reach ka sa payment section. Ipapakita ko sa iyo dito sa yung ginawa ko kanina dito sa Philippine Airlines. Kunwari nang select ako ng travel date, and then dito sa payment, pagdating sa payment, ito lang yung mga tinatanggap nila. Credit card, cash via payment center, Paymaya, PayPal, GrabPay, DragonPay, and GCash. So, walang kang makikita dito na use travel voucher. Kung sa Philippine Airlines ay travel voucher, kung sa Cebu Pacific naman ay travel fund naman yung sa kanila. So, dito, kanina, kunyari, nag-book din ako, select ako ng flight date, at nang pagdating ko dito sa payment section, meron silang travel fund. So, kung meron kang travel fund, i-select mo lang yan, and then, i-enter mo yung booking reference number, and then, pwede mo na siyang ma-redeem. Dito kasi sa Philippine Airlines, since wala siya, kailangan natin siyang i-request through MyPal Request Hub. Or kung meron ka namang telephone, pwede mo silang tawagan para mas mabilis yung process. Pero kung wala naman, pwede ka naman dito sa MyPal Request Hub. Ilalagay ko lang yung link ng MyPal Request Hub dito sa description sa baba ng video para i-click mo na lang siya at makapunta ka na dito sa next page. Kung hindi naman, pwede mo naman siyang i-google and then MyPal Request Hub. Okay? So now, i-click ko itong MyPal Request Hub. So to provide passengers with flexible servicing option, we are pleased to introduce MyPal Request Hub. Through the secure online form, you can request for the following: rebook to a later flight, convert your ticket to a travel voucher, request for a refund, follow up existing request. So, ilan to sa mga pwede mong gawin dito sa MyPal Request Hub. And then, you can use this online facility in 3 easy steps. Fill out the form, click submit, and receive a confirmation via email. And then dito sa additional information, for tickets issued by partner travel agents like us, kung sa mga travel agent ka nang book ng iyong ticket, we will be the one to process it for you. Pero kung nag-book ka naman directly sa PAL website, PAL mobile app, or sa PAL ticket office, pwede mong gamitin itong MyPal Request Hub. Okay? So, simulan na natin yung pag-fill up ng form. Number 1, what would you like to submit? I-click mo itong new request. And then, next. And then, where did you purchase your ticket? Piliin mo yung PAL ticket office. Kasi nga, magagamit mo lang yung form na to kung nag-book ka ng ticket directly sa PAL website. Kung sa travel agency, hindi mo pwedeng siyang gawin dito. Contact your travel agency, si travel agent, kasi siya yung mag-asikaso niyan for you. And then just click next. And then, last name, first name, middle name, ticket number, email address, contact number, citizenship, and then which airport will you be coming from, date of birth, And then, are you an OFW? Lahat ng mga naka-asterisk na red, ibig sabihin ito yung mga kailangan mong fill upan. Hindi mo dapat ito i-skip. Okay? So, fill upan ko lang muna. And then, email address. Only one email address, please. So, make sure na yung ilalagay mong email address dyan ay yung valid na email address para makareceive ka ng kanilang email, contact number. And then, citizenship. If you are a Filipino, then click Philippines. Which airport will you be coming from? So, kung galing ka naman ng Manila, select mo dyan yung Manila. Right. Hanapin natin si Manila. Okay, MNL. And then, date of birth. Select your date of birth. And are you an OFW? Kung yes, click yes. Kung no, click no. And then next. Okay? So, options for booking changes. Ito yung para sa mga gustong mag-rebook or magre-route ng kanilang mga tickets. So, just read it here for more information. And then here, convert to travel voucher. If your flight is affected by cancellation or travel ban, yes, basahin mo din dan. And then refund, there are no penalties collected for refund application of passenger affected by COVID. So, please select your booking change option. Click mo tong travel fund, travel voucher, and then click next. So, for travel voucher, basahin mo yan, and then agree, terms and condition, yes, and then next. Please input your remarks. You can enter, I want to redeem or use my travel voucher. So, you can input anything you want to say to them para malaman nila kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa iyong ticket. And then, click next. Okay? So, by clicking submit, I attest that all personal and flight details I have inputted are correct and final. Okay? So, if you click submit dito, try natin click tong submit. Your response was submitted. If you agree to the terms and conditions, you will receive a confirmation email. Please check all folders of your email, including spam or junk. So, guys, when I check my email, and wala siya dito sa inbox, sa primary social and promotion. But nung tininan ko siya dito sa spam folder, nandito yung email nila kagabi. So, COVID-19 rebooking acknowledgement of your travel voucher request through MyPal Request Hub. Kailan to na-send yung message? 9:17 p.m. So, dear mabuhay, we have received your travel voucher request through MyPal. You will receive another email as soon as one of our agent handles your request. Please hang in there and stay safe. Maghihintay ka pa ng isa pang email para ma-assist ka ng kanilang agent. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung ilang oras ma-receive yung email after kang nag-request, well, kagabi, ni-record ko to ng 9 p.m. So, after 17 minutes, nag-email na siya. And nandito siya sa spam. Wala siya sa aking inbox, kundi napunta siya sa spam. Alright? Ganun lang kasimple. If you want to convert your ticket to a travel voucher, pwede nyo siyang gawin dito din sa my PAL Request Hub. If you want to redeem or use your travel voucher, pwede mo siyang gawin din dito sa my PAL Request Hub. Again, dun sa remarks na section, pwede mong ilagay lahat ng gusto mong sabihin doon na I want to convert or I want to use my travel voucher kasi gusto ko nang mag-book ng ticket, umuwi, blah blah blah. Just take that opportunity na masabihin kung ano man yung gusto mong sabihin para once na ma-receive ni PAL yung email, ma-re-replyan nila lahat ng mga concern mo. Okay? So, yun lang. Ganun lang kadali kung paano gamitin itong My PAL Request Hub. If you want to use your travel voucher or if you want to convert your ticket to travel voucher. I hope that you learned something, and if ever you have questions, just type down below dito sa comment section and I will try my best na sagutin yung question mo as long as alam ko kung ano yung isasagot ko. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep safe everyone. Bye!